Today we're installing the AS3 Performance billet deep clutch cover on the Wr250r. This particular bike is a 2019, but it should work on 2008 through 2020. This is the new clutch cover from AS3 Performance. It still has the mounting spots for the plastic cover. It is physically deeper and holds an extra 50 milliliters of oil, which is approximately 4 to 5% of the total capacity. That's my main reason for getting it. So when you go to do this, you're going to need to remove the brake pedal to get at all these bolts. The brake pedal is a 6 millimeter Allen bolt. And that comes out unless you swing the brake pedal out of the way. In the back of it, there is this clip. Don't forget to take that clip out of the back of that brake pedal bolt. Once that's off, these bolts around here are all 8 millimeter. And this comes off. That's got foam backing on it. That's your factory protector. Then to get this off, what I did was I put a rubber mallet here and I gently pried on the back like this. And it popped it off. Now you have to be careful if you want to reuse the gasket. When I first pulled it off, the gasket was half stuck to it and half stuck to the motor. And so I just lightly pried the gasket off, and so that gasket looks in pretty good shape. I'm probably going to reuse it. As you can see, the new clutch cover is about 3 millimeters. I don't know if you can see that online. It's about 3 millimeters deeper. So at this point, you're going to have to remove these dowels out of the OEM cover. Mine just pulled out by hand. And they will need to be press fit into the new one, like so. And I just want to show you that I did buy the gasket. That's the part number there. 3D7 154 53-10, just in case I needed to needed the new one. So I'm going to go ahead and install the new cover. So I don't have all the bolts quite in yet, but that gives you a good idea of how the cover is going to sit with the brake pedal, and there is plenty of clearance. So I'm probably going to try and fit the OEM plastic cover over that just for a little bit of added protection. It's probably not needed, as this is machined from a solid piece of billet aluminum. But they did leave you the mounting points for the plastic cover, so why not? Like I said before, my main reason for choosing this was the extra oil capacity. That 5% may not sound like much, but that is what you'll normally lose to evaporization and vaporization over the course of 5,000 or 6,000 K if you're adventure touring your Wr250r. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend.